Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you 5 best car vacuums. Handheld Car Vacuum. This handheld vacuum can clean dust, debris, pet hair, sand, liquid. Effectively resolve troubles caused by naughty kids and pets. With strong power to absorb fine particles, its lifetime equals to 20 normal HEPA filters, no need to purchase any new filter. The car vacuum cleaner high power comes with a 16.4 feet power cord so that you can plug in the cigarette lighter and clean every corner of your car. CherylonCar Portable Car Vacuum. The portable car vacuum cleaner is equipped with a 150W powerful motor, RPM up to 32,000 rounds/min and 7,500 PA suction. The cyclone cone separates larger trash to prevent the filter clogging, compact structure and good sealing. The power cord is up to 16.4 feet, which is enough to easily reach the trunk of even a bigger size car and aid with maneuvering. CherylonCar Portable Car Vacuum. Keep your car be kept clean at any time to save your time and money, and get professional cleaning results every time. The vacuum includes a stainless steel filter, equals to 20 normal HEPA filters, can be washed more than 500 times. QYHY car vacuums are equipped with high-performance copper motor and aluminum alloy fans, 150W powerful motor. HOTOR Car Vacuum Cleaner. HOTOR Small Vacuum Cleaner is equipped with a powerful motor, efficiently providing strong suction for your daily car cleaning. The lengthened power cord of this car gadget is up to 16.4 inches, which enables you to clean the whole car. The interior HEPA filter excellently prevents smaller particles from getting into the motor, thus reducing the suction wastage. BOKIC Car Vacuum Cleaner. Our cordless car vacuum cleaner provides 8,000 PA strong suction and easily picks up pet hair, cat litter, debris, dust, crumbs, dry grass and very small stones. BOKIC Car Vacuum Cleaner is lightweight, compact yet powerful and delivers outstanding as well as effective cleaning performance. The H12 HEPA filter can filter 99.99% particles when the airflow leaves the portable car vacuum. Follow video description if you want to know the price. Thanks for watch. Please subscribe the channel for more videos.